Should you write GMAT or CAT? Well, GMAT is accepted by top B schools across the world, whereas CAT is only accepted by top schools in India as well as middle rank to lower rank schools in India. GMAT has a validity of 5 years, whereas CAT only has validity of 1 year. The biggest pain point is that the CAT has negative marking, but GMAT does not have negative marking. And if you are looking for more analytical and verbal assessment, GMAT is the test for you. If you are looking for more data and interpretation assessment, CAT is the test for you. So the decision finally boils down to which country you want to study your masters in, India or abroad. Well, GMAT is also accepted in top B schools in India, but it requires 3 to 5 years of work experience.